And I am thinking about chasing a short here on NVDA. Basically a stop above 37.20. Let's see if I can get it up in the 40s. Did not get it. Did not get it. Should have just hit the bids on that. Everything coming in. That was a hit the bids moment. Yep. Brutal. What is this? 36.17. Tesla coming in heavy. Microsoft, Apple coin, I mean just everything coming in. 188, low a day. NVDA, need to find a way short in this NVIDIA. 35.20 against 36.20. Trying to see if I can get a pop back up here. NVIDIA, my main. Let's see if I can get those 35.20s. Can we get a pop back up? I need to go through and set alerts on pretty much everything else. 80, 86. Apple. Big drop in Apple. 52.60. NVIDIA not getting that pop. Tesla through 88, and there goes NVIDIA through 34. I need to find a way into NVIDIA. Here's 34.60s. We are not yet on. Trying to get these 35s. Can I get them? 35.20s still up there. See if I can get those up there. Trying to be patient. Apple cracking hard. Can I get a pop up there to 35? Apple cracking very hard. Let's level this 52.80 against like 53.10, 53.20. Did not get up there. $52.80. It's 53.10. 53.20. Let's see if we can get those up there. Meta cracking as well. Apple. Can we get a pop here?
The interest rates won't prevent avian flu from devastating 1/3 of our egg supply or weather disasters.
Apple lows.
Raising interest rates certainly won't stop big corporations from exploiting all of these crises to jack up prices far beyond the increase in their cost. Last year, corporate profits hit a record sure doesn't look like corporations have exhausted every available alternative. It's so brazen, even global bankers called on the Fed to identify this profiteering as one of the biggest drivers of inflation. Paul Donovan, chief economist of Global Wealth Management at UBS, wrote, the Fed should make clear.
And there's lows on NVDA. Still have not found a way in. Trying to get these prices up here. Nope. NVIDIA new lows.
Think about that. So the chief economist at UBS, I'll say it again, they've taken advantage. These companies have taken advantage of circumstances to
trying to see if I can get a pop up here.
Commodity prices or profit margin expansion than wage cost pressures, unquote. The Fed, understandably, the Fed can't force corporations to change their ways or rewrite the Wall Street business model on its own. But the Fed can talk about it. High interest rates, falling wages, increasing unemployment are all hallmarks of failed policies that end up helping Wall Street, the largest corporations in the country, the wealthiest people in the country. Because let's be clear.
Yeah, I should have just hit the bid up here. And here goes NVIDIA to new lows. Still haven't found a way in. This is a just hit the bid situation.
We can't allow inflation to become entrenched. We've seen encouraging trends. That is effective.
Apple new lows. Didn't get any Apple either.
Again, making people poorer, laying people off, denying workers
Just everything bloody.
strengthen our supply chains. We can bring critical manufacturing back to the U.S. We can rebuild our infrastructure. It's what we're doing with the CHIPS Act, with the Inflation Reduction Act, with the bipartisan infrastructure bill. For the first time in decades.
And now I'm wondering if we need to come down to 3480 against like 35. 3580. 3480 against 3580. Let's do that. 3480 against 3580. Apple. Low a day. Two 40s. AI cracking as well. This is another one. It's 2650 spot. $27, 2650 against 27. And let's see, Tesla, big volume Tesla, big crack. Amazon, Meta. Apple
Michigan governor
continuing to fall.
glad that 2 of the 4 Americans who were kidnapped have been found.
Don't think I'm getting these apples.
Injured and the other is unharmed. We are waiting to get some more information here, but once we do get it, we will bring it to you live, raw, and unfiltered right.
Trying to get these NVIDIAs and trying to be patient. I did step down. I was in the mid 35s. Now up in the 3480s. So seeing if I can get that.
Sitting here looking at my prepared remarks, thinking about, hey, there's an opening coming for Vice Chairman Rayner's moving on. I think it's really important for us to make sure that all the information that we need in order to make a good decision on the next that we have.
Here comes NVIDIA popping. I'm up in the 80s here. Very close. Very, very close to getting filled. Oof, got right there. I mean, what did it hit? It hit 80 cents. 82 cents. Got a partial fill there. 4 shares. Got 4 shares off. Got the full clip there. Short NVIDIA here at 82 cents. Immediately pops above the hole. My stop is a point away at 35.80. And I mean, we are looking for new lows. This is first stop here, and then realistically down here. So short NVIDIA and looking for at first a retest of lows. I think my very first, hold on, I gotta mute this politician here. Just can't stand them, their vile words. As I'm watching Powell about to testify in front of the Senate. I mean, for this situation here, I am looking for probably the first stop is like 32, yeah, like 32.50s for the first piece to come off. So 32.50s would be the first spot. So that's kind of what I'm waiting and looking for. I'm not even going to take anything off down at low a day. I'm just gonna, and then I'm gonna try to get the next one at 31, like closer to 31. So let's see if we can get that. It might take some time. Wasn't able to get any NVIDIA on the way down. But yeah, so where's my actual cover is 32.60s. 32.60s. So I can erase this, and I am actually looking down here, and that would present approximately a 2-to-1. Yeah, 2-to-1 would be just under the 33 number. So that's kind of what that looks like there. Go ahead and erase this. There's really nothing to do but just let this position try to work. I think this is an opportunity, a pretty big opportunity here. Again, this this hard to borrow here really intrigued me. The fact that there was this hard to borrow here. Very odd to have NVIDIA be hard to borrow. So that was what initially caught my eye. I was able to get some shares, and NVIDIA starting to work. Here comes 34. Can we crack 34 and head back down to lows? Let's see. AI, I was also looking to get short up here, but I don't think I'm going to get those. Here comes 34. Can we crack through that 34? Not much to do here. Can this NVIDIA crack this 34? I really think it can. I really think it can go visit lows. Here comes 34 test. There's BABA approaching lows. Pop here in NVIDIA. All the way back up to 35. Not enough of a pop in AI to get that position on. Where was my AI? My AI was up at 62 cents. 62 cents is where my AI short was at. Here's NVIDIA back down here. And man, I really want to hold on to this size. I really think that if this thing cracks 34 and heads back down to lows, I think that I could get these 32s for a majority of my cover. I'm really curious to see if I can get that and hold on to the size down to there. Market's stabling out a little bit here. JPOW still hasn't started talking. When will that, and if, when and if that next wave of selling will happen? Can we crack through that 34? I need to set a new low a day here. Oh, that thing just dipped down to the... That AI just dropped out. What was it that hit lows not too long ago? BABA? It's okay. And NVIDIA popping up again. Not going down. Popping back up to 35. and NVIDIA above 35 now and heading higher. And it looks like maybe I was wrong. We'll see. It's past 10. I'm going to put this to a 5-minute. I'm going to just let this sit here on a 5-minute. I mean, if I'm wrong, then it's going to hurt and it's going to stop me out up at 35.80. I felt like this was worth it. But right now, closer to getting stopped out. Only 40 cents away from taking a stop. So unless this turns around really quickly, just not a good position. And yeah, it looks like I'm going to take a stop on this and just got stopped out. So big stop out on NVIDIA. I was looking for a trip down to lows and instead took a big rip on that one. What can you say? That's trading. That sucks. I'm going to set an alert in case we are back down below 234. I'll say back down here.